Um, please share your thoughts on HEX. Wow.
Yeah, so I'll speak on HEX briefly. I don't have a chart to share with you, but I watched a really, really good breakdown of the situation with HEX right now. And it made me not want to touch HEX. Like I get why people buy it. Like I understand, like it's and the people that bought in early probably got fantastic returns, right? Unless they're staking for multiple years and have it locked up. But I saw something that was talking about the liquidity for HEX, right? It's because it's ultimately really only traded on DEXs. The liquidity for HEX compared to the 10 to 20 or so top HEX holding accounts. Basically, if any of those top 10 to 20 accounts decided that they wanted to take profits, it would destroy HEX's price by like 90+% because there's no liquidity whatsoever for HEX on DEXs. It's all just like staked up, right? So that can be good on the upside. Low liquidity can help the number go up, right? It can make price sensitive to going up. However, when the music stops and when people decide that they want to take profits on their liquid HEX, it's going to be really ugly. That's my understanding of the situation. This thing is like a ticking time bomb that it can drop very, very rapidly due to the lack of liquidity. But if you want to play the musical chairs game, I mean, that's a completely fine strategy, right? If you want to play musical chairs, go for it.
Okay, so looking at the HEX chart, very interesting point that Forrest makes. I know we talked about hanging out below resistance, but this has a little bit of a feel of head and shoulders top to it. Okay. One of the things that you'd have to be ready for in HEX, because it went straight through 25, is you'd have to be careful of it breaking, not at failing at 50 cents and dropping to 25 cents, washing out the people who came in late. So what I'd like to tell people with these small coins is ask yourself, has the easy money been made? Novogratz is long Luna. And he even got on Twitter and was like, hey, before you FOMO into this, has the easy money been made? Now, if this thing took out 50 cents, so nobody thinks we don't like HEX for whatever reason, the next level in HEX is 80. So if it takes out 50, that's where it can go. All right. And that is HEX.
Yeah, 100%. I mean, HEX, the way it's built and the way it's designed for the number for the price to go up, and people stake it and lock it up for long periods of time. So it could, I agree with Bill, it could absolutely explode to 80 cents. Maybe it goes big. Maybe, who knows? Maybe it, becomes number one or number two cryptocurrency by market cap. But I'm telling you, when people, there's not any liquidity. So when people decide they want to take profits out of HEX, it's going to be uglier than other cryptocurrencies, is what I can say from my understanding of HEX.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.